Hello students, hope all you well. Today we are going to learn some important topics and problems from the chapter electricity. Our first, our first topic is what is the commercial unit of electrical energy? The commercial unit of electrical energy is kilowatt hour, which can be represented as kWh. The commercial unit of electrical energy is kilowatt hour, and 1 kWh, that is 1 kilowatt hour, is equal to 3.6 into 10 raised to 6 joule. It's an important one. 1 kWh is equal to 3.6 into 10 raised to 6 joule. Next, we are going to learn what is watt hour or what is 1 watt hour. How can we define it? All of you know the unit of power is watt. So we can define 1 watt hour as 1 watt hour is the electrical energy consumed by an electrical device when 1 watt of power is used for 1 hour. So we can define 1 watt hour is the energy consumed when 1 watt of power is used for 1 hour. Next, let's do a problem based on a concept of current. In this problem, it is given that charge is 12 coulomb and the time is given 4 seconds. The problem is we want to find out the current supplied by the cell. It is given that the flow of charge is 12 coulomb in 4 seconds. So what's the formula connecting current, charge and time? I is equal to Q by T. Q is given 12, T is given 4. So substituting I is equal to Q by T is equal to 12 by 4. 12 by 4 is equal to 3. So what's the unit of current? It is ampere. So finally I is equal to 3 ampere. Next problem. This problem is about a heater coil. Its potential difference is given or its voltage is given. V is equal to 2 to 0 V. And current is given 5 ampere. Current I is equal to 5 ampere. We want to find out the power rating of the heater coil. So simply we want to find out power. What's the relation connecting power, voltage, current? All of you know that power P is equal to VI. Substituting the values, V is 220 into I is 5. We will get power P is equal to 1100 watt, or which can be written as, the watt can be written in terms of kilowatt also. Therefore power P is equal to 1.1 kilowatt, because 1 kilowatt is equal to 1000 watt. Okay, our next problem. It's given that current is 0.2 ampere, resistance 4.5 ohm. Calculate the potential difference. We want to find out the potential difference V. What's the relation connecting potential difference V, current and resistance R? That is V is equal to IR. V is equal to IR. Substituting the value of current, I is equal to 0.2 into R is 4.5. Therefore, V is equal to IR is equal to 0.2 into 4.5 multiplying. Finally, we will get V is equal to 0.9 volt. And our next problem, it's a problem of electrical lamp. Yeah, that lamp has a resistance of 96 ohm. That means R is equal to 96 ohm. How much current flows? So we want to find out the current I through the lamp when it is connected to 120 volt. 120 volt is potential difference or voltage. So V is equal to, it's given that V is equal to 120 volt. So we want to find out current I. It is given V and R is given. So what's the relation connecting current I, potential difference V and resistance R? Based on Ohm's law, we know that I is equal to V by R. I is equal to V by R. Substituting value, V is 120. Therefore, I is equal to V by R is equal to 120 by 96. Dividing the terms, finally we will get current I is equal to 1.25 ampere. So all these problems are very important. So all of you copy these problems to your notebook and study well. Thank you.